Don't scare him away. You'll scare him away. Isn't he a pretty bird? That's a pretty bird. See the egret? Say hi, Mr. Egret. Say hi, Mr. Egret. No, look. You've never seen anything like that, have you, Zeke? Watch Grandpa John's plants. Don't get in the plants. Zeke, you stay in here. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Get out that hole. Look at, see? I know, what is it, Zeke? It's a big bird, huh? All you know is it's a big bird. Watch the plants. Zeke. I know you can stick your head out there. If we go out there, he'll fly away. Come on, my